kanyang panahon, kidirek Wen Deramas bago siya ilibing ngayong weekend.
Gusto mong gumawa ng tulad, gusto ko siya makasama. Gusto ko siya makita ulit na humahagal pa at naglulukos sa sakata sa kanya. Pero wala mo sa sinuhan.
Hindi napigilan ni Vice na umiyak sa huli niyang saludo kay Wen. Pero kailangan pa rin niyang magpatawa alang-alang sa direktor na ayaw daw ng drama sa lamay.
Nabibigay sa akin. Mayroon lang hindi mo kabaon mo kasi. Sa nabili na June, pinawin ako sa kamo sa tuloy ko kasi pinasitin. Kano po ko? What my friend? Ito June, paano mas magandang magkakunin? Mabilis na. Ito tapos ko rin, pwede ko na gamitin.
Hindi ako dinimanda. Hindi lahat ng tao na mamatay doon dahil sa duga. Away at sako. Tinitecharita niya. I tell you, you were so adamant, you were so horrified by the killing. Si Dilima. Ilang beses yun, she was with the human rights. Bakit hindi ninyo ako dinimanda? Tapos nandito ito si Eta, siya ang pumulit. Ma'am, bakit hindi ninyo ako dinamanda kung meron? If you have the goods on me, if you have proof, why in hell wala man lang kayong dinamanda sa akin? You try. Dumating ng ombudsman, ang mga pulis dinamanda ninyo. Masabihin mo, ayaw ko ng criminal, tama yan. Ayaw ko ng kriminal. Namamatay sila, baka sakali. Ngayon, kung tanungin mo ako yan dito, and you want evidence, anak ka na, do not get it from my mouth. Look somewhere. Nagdalawang chairman ng human rights, ako ang tinuturo. Pati siya ito, bata daw. Alam mo ma'am, you're too reckless with your mouth. Ikaw tinatanaw na ikaw umalis ka ng gobyerno may kaso sa kasagat. Papiliin ko kayo. Tao buhay na gobyerno pagpatay ng kriminal o kayo nagdanakaw ng kumayan. Mamili kayo Pilipino.
Be sure to come back. Use 5 everywhere. Copyright 2015.
Okay, if you want to think about it, we still got Hope. She's up already. But I got a question here.
Yeah.
Okay. Please, be honest now.
Okay.
Did you sleep with Cesar Montano? Because I just feel like this is like the kind of guy that's gonna want to.
Yeah, we just did a movie. Okay.
Did you have sex
I remember
with
him now, yes.
Did you have sex with Cesar Montano? Come on.
I don't mind.
Well, yeah, of course not. I'm gonna take that as a yes. You did? You did sleep with him? How many times? One time or a couple times? One time or a couple times, Maria? Come on.
Go to Hope.
No.
Yes. We will give you a bit of hope.
I want this answer
I need a hope.
now. How many times did you have sex with Cesar? I have a feeling you did. And now that we're friends, you and I, we're closer now. Now it's time to spill the beans. How many times? How many times? 2 times? 3 times? What? Once? Just once? Big dick on him? Big dick on Cesar? Because now we're talking about dick size and stuff. I feel like, because he scores on a lot of chicks, man.
Oh, really?
And
Yeah.
He scores on, the big dick on Cesar or what?
Sorry, guys,
I just wanna chill, got a sack for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced her to my stove. Showed her how to whip and luxury makes it below. She my track queen, let her hit the bando. We be counting up, watch out for them bands though. We just set it down, talking much and Lambos. 56 a grand, 500 grand though. Man, I swear I love her when she with the band, hit the strip.